Apple is gearing up to release the next evolution in its smart speaker lineup, the HomePod Mini 2. With significant upgrades over its 2019 predecessor, the HomePod Mini 2 promises to bring powerful new features and improved performance to the table. Let's dive into what we can expect from this highly anticipated device. First up, processing power. The HomePod Mini 2 is rumored to come with Apple's new S10 or S11 chip. That's a substantial leap from the original's S5 chip. What does this mean for you? A significant boost in performance and advanced machine learning capabilities, making Siri smarter and faster than ever before. Whether you're asking questions or controlling your home, expect near-instant responses and smoother operation. Next, let's talk about sound quality. Thanks to the upgraded processing power, the HomePod Mini 2 will feature computational audio that automatically adjusts to your environment. It's not just about volume, it's about the perfect sound experience every time. Whether you're in a cozy room or a large space, this speaker is smart enough to optimize equalization, spatial characteristics, and more. With the HomePod Mini 2, most of the Siri processing will happen directly on the device, meaning you'll experience faster and more accurate responses. Not only does this result in better privacy since your data stays on the device, but it also makes Siri feel way quicker. No more waiting for responses. The HomePod Mini 2 will also come with advanced connectivity. The integration of Apple's N1 wireless chip means Wi-Fi 6 support, which provides faster speeds and fewer dropouts, even in crowded network environments. And with the U2 ultra-wideband chip, expect seamless handoff for music and content transfer from your iPhone. The music flows effortlessly between devices. No interruptions. Design-wise, the HomePod Mini 2 gets a refined touch surface and a brighter LED waveform. And don't forget the new colors. Apple is introducing deeper shades of midnight and a new, bolder product red. Whether you're adding a pop of color or keeping it sleek, the HomePod Mini fits into any modern home. Perhaps the most exciting development is the HomeOS integration. The HomePod Mini 2 will act as the central hub for Apple's upcoming HomeOS, bringing the entire smart home ecosystem under one roof. It will serve as a thread border router for Matter-enabled devices, ensuring seamless connectivity between all your smart devices, from lights to thermostats and more. Apple is making your smart home smarter with this integration. And all of this comes at a competitive price of $99, just like the original, with premium audio, top-tier connectivity, and advanced AI features. The HomePod Mini 2 offers incredible value for anyone looking to upgrade their smart home setup. That wraps up our review of the Apple HomePod Mini 2. With faster processing, smarter sound, and seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem, it's shaping up to be a must-have for 2026. Will you be picking one up? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.